I'm Jill MacBryde, and I'm one of the co-directors of the InterAct network. And InterAct is part of the Made Smarter Innovation family, and Made Smarter Innovation is all about how can we accelerate digital change within manufacturing. So how can we develop more technologies to come into manufacturing to help us to be more productive, more sustainable, more resilient, more competitive. And quite a lot of the programme is about technology. So how do we develop the technology and how do we encourage manufacturers to take up the technology? But where InterAct is different is we're looking at the human aspect. So technology is fantastic, we need technology, but technology alone isn't going to give us more resilient, more competitive, more sustainable companies. And that's where InterAct comes in. It's a network funded by ESRC, so that's the Social Sciences Research Council. And what we're trying to do is really recognise that there's a whole lot of knowledge out there in the social sciences, from business schools, psychology, social politics. But very often manufacturers or digital innovators don't know about these things. They're not reading academic journals. So what InterAct's trying to do is find these little gems that might be useful and then make it easy for people to digest it. So we do our own research and we amplify research that's already done. So some of the stuff, the way we present it, podcasts, blogs, videos, short reports, things like that, and coming to events like this to talk to people. So we're really interested to speak to manufacturers, people across the globe, and we're looking to find out, what are their aspirations, what are their challenges, and where are we going as manufacturing, what's the future look like? So we'd love to hear from anybody who wants to join that and share some of that research.